Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel, and in this video tutorial I would like to share with you one more really beautiful stitch. This stitch I'm going to use, and later you will see a tutorial for knit head. And today we are going to learn how to knit this stitch in rows. And this is the same stitch, but just the difference is uh, two extra rows between the main stitch patterns, and I will explain where you have to add them. So for this stitch I'm using 4mm knitting needles, and the number of stitches has to be divisible by 3 plus 1 extra stitch and plus 2 selvage stitches, so in total divisible by 3 stitches. For this swatch I cast on 27 stitches. So let's get started. At the beginning, as you see, I did ribbing, knit one per one, just to see how the stitch looking if you're going to use it for cardigans or for sweaters. So let's start. The first row, slip the first stitch and knit all other stitches. As you see, sometimes I knit through the front, sometimes I knit through the back loop. It depends how the stitch turned. Just knit all stitches and that's it. Knit, knit. And I didn't say that there will be in this for this stitch there will be 4 rows to repeat or 6 rows to repeat if you want to make the pattern look a little bit wider. At the end, purl the last stitch, selvage stitch, and turn. In the second row, slip the first stitch and purl all other stitches till the end, and at the end purl the last selvage stitch. Purl, purl, purl. Purl, purl, till the end. And purl the last stitch. Turn. And if you want wider distance between waves, like here, you're going to knit one more row and then purl one more row. Just repeat first and the second rows and you will get wider distance. Here I'm not going to do it. And now row number 3, slip the first stitch, now purl 1, and as you see I purl through the back loop. Again, it doesn't matter how you purl, just purl as you know. For example, if your stitch is looking like this way, so you will purl through the front loop, and I purl through the back loop. Doesn't matter, it's just a purl stitch. Purl once and bring the yarn in front and slip next to stitches. Do not pull tight the yarn and make a purl one again. And repeat, yarn in front, slip next to stitches, purl one. Yarn in front, slip next to stitches, purl one. That's what you're going to repeat till the end. And purl one. Slip next to stitches, holding working yarn in front, purl one more time, purl one, and purl the last selvage stitch. turn, and row number 4, the last row, slip the first stitch, purl 1, again here I purl through the back, you can purl through the front, knit 2, and repeat again, purl 1. As soon as you see knit stitch, you purl it, and here you see 2 purl stitches, you knit them. So purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2. So we need those 2 slipped stitches. Purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, and purl the last selvage stitch. And that's it. Now you're going to repeat from the first row, knitting all stitches till the end, then purling all stitches, and then slipping 2 stitches holding working yarn in front. And if you did 6 rows to repeat, the pattern will look like this. Both, both are great and can be used, as I said, for cardigans, sweaters, and hats. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and don't forget to leave a comment. It will help me to understand what you like and what you don't.